morning, students, and Assalamu alaikum. I am Ms. Ishrat from Higher Secondary Guards Public School 1. The syllabus of the first term 2020 includes Chapter 1 Notation and Numeration, Chapter 2 Addition and Subtraction, Chapter 3 Multiplication, Chapter 4 Plane Shapes and Solid Shapes. Now students, in today's lecture we will be discussing notation and numeration, in which we will first learn about Pakistani way. As students, you have already learned 5-digit numbers in your previous class, that is till 10,000. Now in this class, by adding one more digit, we are introducing period of lakh and will learn 6-digit numbers. Now, before moving forward students, we have to first revise what notation and numeration actually means. What is notation? Representing the numbers in figures or symbols, for example, 4, 237. What is numeration? Representing the numbers in their words, for example, 13, 246. There are two ways in the number system to read and write numbers. First one is Pakistani and the other one is International Place Value System. In Pakistani place value system, we use Pakistani periods, means Pakistani names, that is lakhs and crores. But these names are not used internationally. So in international place value system, we use the words millions and billions. But in today's lecture, student, we will discuss and learn about Pakistani place value system. Here, 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. If we add 1 to the greatest 5-digit number, we get the smallest 6-digit number, which is 1 lakh. Here, the digit 1 is at lakhs place. It's difficult to read greater numbers. So let us learn how to represent a place value chart of a 6-digit number and use of commas between the numbers. Let us see the periods of 6-digit numbers in a place value chart. In a place value chart, a 6-digit number has ones, thousands and lakhs period. Grouping the digits according to the periods, now let us consider a number 6, 1, 9, 2, 3, 4. Now place the 6-digit numbers in the place value chart. For reading a 6-digit number, group the digits according to the periods in the table and then place commas to separate the digits. Now let's start how to write in Pakistani place value. Let's begin. First of all, which place is there? Ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000. Till here all the values we have already learnt. Now the difference comes, that is lakhs. Students forget to put the commas. Now how to put the commas between the different places? Here is a very simple trick to learn that insertion of commas, that there are 3 members in one's place and 2 members in the other periods. Now in this chart there are 3 families, ones, thousands and lakhs. In one's family or period there are 3 members, or we call as places, ones, tens and hundreds. In thousand family or period there are 2 members, that is 1000 and 10,000. In lakh family or period we have 2 members, lakh and 10 lakh. But as we are learning 6-digit numbers in today's lecture, so we will learn till lakh. We will always write a number from right hand side and read from the left hand side. So to spell out the numbers, the digit in the lakhs period has to be read first, followed by the digits in the thousand period. and the ones period. So this number is read as 6,19,234. Let's start writing the place value of the underlined digits in the following 6-digit numbers. As the commas clearly shows that the numbers are given in Pakistani place value system. In the first one, the underlined digit is 9. For giving the answer correctly, I will read the places from the right hand side like 6 ones, 5 tens, 400, 3000, 210,000 and 9 lakh. In this way, I will clearly know what the value of the underlined digit without making any mistake. Now students, the second example is tricky one. The number which is given in that the underlined digit is 0. Now let's start reading the values from the right. 6 ones, 0 tens, 300, 0,000, 0 10,000, 1 lakh. You have noticed? Underlined digit 0 is on 10,000's place. We will write as 0 10,000, but its place value is always 0, no matter at which place it is. The place value of 0 will always remain 0. Students, let us learn expanded and short form of a 6-digit number. When we write any number in expanded form, it means we have to write the value of a single number with zeros. Here you can see first number is 8. So 8 is in the column of lakh. It will be written as 8 with 5 zeros. After each number, 1 zero will be decreased. Plus 9 10,000, 9 with 4 zeros, plus 4,000, 4 with 3 zeros, plus 200, 2 with 2 zeros, plus 3 tens, 3 with 1 zero, plus 6, 6 in the is at the unit place, so it will remain same. Now writing the numbers in short form, or it is also called as standard form, we need to check the position of all the individual numbers. As in the given expanded form, 3 is at lakhs place, plus 1 is at 10,000 place, plus 6 is at 1000 place, plus 5 is at 100 place, plus 2 is at tens place, plus 7 is at ones place. So it will be written in standard or short form as 3, 16, 527. Let's have a review, students. In today's lecture, we have discussed what the terms notation and numeration means, place value of a 6-digit number set at 10 lakhs period in the Pakistani way, differentiation between Pakistani and international place value system, expanded and short form of 6-digit numbers.